Thavorn Palm Beach Resort, Phuket, Thailand. Welcome to Thavorn Palm Beach Resort, the epitome of luxury and tranquility on the pristine sands of Karon Beach in Phuket. Known for its serene environment and breathtaking landscapes, Karon Beach, we promise an unforgettable experience that combines Phuket's natural beauty with authentic Thai hospitality. Thavorn Palm Beach Resort sits at the front and center of Karon Beach, a perfect family beach and sunset viewing spot. Guests can enjoy immediate access to one of Phuket's longest and most beautiful beaches and panoramic views of the Andaman Sea. Whether you're interested in sunbathing, swimming, or simply enjoying the sunset, our beachfront location provides the perfect setting. Very few Phuket resorts can command such an ideal location close to the major attractions on Karon Beach and beyond. Patong Beach, Kata Beach, Phuket, Big Buddha, and shopping malls are only a short drive away. Our 5-star beachfront hotel is located a few steps from Karon Beach. With its long stretch of pristine white sand, Karon Beach is one of the island's highest-rated beaches, where everyone can find a spot to do some sunbathing, sunset watching, or water sports. We have 12 accommodation types, fully appointed to provide luxurious comfort, from lavish suites with direct pool access to spacious family rooms with modern amenities and elegant decor. Thavorn Palm Beach Resort houses 4 large swimming pools, which offer panoramic views of Karon Beach in Phuket, Thailand. Each beautifully designed hotel pool offers guests a stylish and comfortable place to relax and have fun. Have an enjoyable time at our lagoon swimming pools, each with a unique atmosphere. Whether you want to engage in fun water activities, savor a drink at the pool bar, or simply lounge poolside. Whether you're in the mood for a gourmet meal or a casual drink, culinary delights await you at our restaurants and cafes. With 8 different dining options, you'll never go hungry. Thavorn Palm Beach Resort on Karon Beach delivers a variety of dishes, from traditional Thai cuisine to Asian favorites, Western fare, and other international options. Enjoy a gastronomic experience with us each and every day. Thavorn Palm Beach Resort on Karon Beach features 5-star recreational hotel facilities, so guests of all ages can find something to enjoy throughout their stay. We are one of the few beach hotels in Phuket with thrilling watersides worthy of a watermark. Right in the center of our resort lies our massive 4-story high watersides, guaranteed to bring endless fun and excitement to the young and young at heart. Thavorn Palm Beach Resort offers unique and luxurious accommodation in Karon Beach, Phuket, Thailand. With 12 unique room types to choose from, we are confident we have something to suit your needs. When you book your accommodation directly with our resort on Karon Beach, we reward you with amazing deals and benefits such as free airport transfers. Because we are dedicated to providing unique and unforgettable experiences for our guests, we host Karon Beach one and only beachfront petting zoo at Thavorn Palm Beach Resort. Hotel guests can join this free activity and meet cute and friendly animals, including our resident tortoise, silky chickens, rabbits, goats, sheep, and lovebird. Our animal village is the only place in Phuket where you can see these friendly residents up close. With Thavorn Rewards, you will get access to our loyalty program filled with instant membership benefits and rewards redemption opportunities. Our program rewards all guests, whether they are starting their journey with Thavorn or are coming back to revisit our resorts. We thank you for your participation, and we look forward to serving you soon. As you stay and spend at Thavorn Hotels and Resorts, we reward your rewards portal with points that never expire. These points can be redeemed at any time to exchange for free nights or vouchers. That's right, be a Thavorn member and enjoy its benefits whenever you feel like it. We are one of the most unique and best-selling upper upscale resorts, situated on the privately accessible Nakalay Beach, only 10 minutes drive to Patong Beach and 5 minutes drive to Kamala Beach. The resort features a 4,000 square meters lagoon, swimming pool integrated within over 14 acres of tropical botanical orchid gardens,